Hey there guys, it's Becca with YouCanBookMe, and today I want to connect my Zoom account to my YouCanBookMe account. I've already had my Google attached to my YouCanBookMe for forever, but our company likes to use Zoom, and every time I try to set up meetings Google Meet, everybody's like, we want Zoom, no. And then I'm manually going back and switching it out, which is ridiculous. So let's set up my Zoom so that it is natively integrated with my YouCanBookMe so that it just automatically sets up a Zoom call for us every single time instead of Google Meet. Let's do it together. So you can see I'm already logged into my YouCanBookMe account here. Let's click on the profile picture up at the top and click on My Account. Then let's go to integrations because we're looking to integrate Zoom. You can scroll and there's 10 million different integrations. There's so many options for things you can do with your YouCanBookMe, but I don't have time to scroll all day, so we're gonna just search for Zoom. Great, let's hit connect together. It is already asking me, is team at YouCanBookMe the correct Zoom account? It sure is, that's the only one I have, but you could always switch account and log in with a different Zoom account if you would like. But because I'm already logged into Zoom on my computer, it's automatically you're already logged into Zoom with this account. Probably the account you want to connect. Yes? No? Yes? No? So yes, let's not change it. That's cool. Let's continue on. What information can the app Zoom learn about me? Profile and contact information, calendars, account information, settings. Yeah, I'm fine with all of this. I already use Zoom. I'm just letting Zoom connect to my YouCanBookMe. So let's scroll through because I'm cool with this. Cool. Allow this app to use my shared access permissions. Great, I need it to work. Hit allow. All right, now that we've successfully integrated our Zoom account with our YouCanBookMe, let's pick a booking page where we can switch it out because I've got them all set to Google Meet right now. So let's go to my booking pages. Because this is the account where I make videos, I have 74 booking pages. Cool. Let's pick a booking page at random and edit it to change it so that we're meeting on Zoom. Let's go with Bloom Life Coaching. I love that booking page. Let's hit the little edit button. And then under what, we've got event details and location. How do you want to meet? Google Meet. Right now, it's connected to Google Meet. Cool. Let's hit the little drop down here and change it to Zoom. Cool. You can add additional information if we want, like we'll see you on Zoom. And hit confirm. Perfect. And now the location of the meeting is going to be on Zoom. So just like that, automatically every single time that a booker books with Bloom Life Coaching, they're going to be given a Google Meet link in the invitation in their calendar. I'm going to be given a Zoom link on the invitation in my calendar. We're going to meet on Zoom. We're going to hang out on Zoom. Life is good. My coworkers can put down their pitchforks because we're meeting on Zoom instead of Google Meet. I like Google Meet, but that's fine. So if you have any questions on connecting Zoom to your YouCanBookMe account or absolutely anything else, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at absolutely any time. We're always more than happy to help. Thank you so much for watching.